What if I told you that 95% of people using Claude are basically driving a Ferrari in first gear? While everyone's asking, write me an email, the pros are having Claude control their computer, generate research reports worth thousands of dollars, and create content that used to take a full team. I've spent months figuring out how the top 5% actually use Claude, and what I discovered will change everything. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact advanced techniques that separate Claude amateurs from absolute weapons. We're talking about features so powerful they feel borderline illegal. And here's the crazy part. Most of these are completely free or included in the basic plan, but almost nobody knows they exist. Let's get into it. Number 1, computer use, your AI employee. Forget asking Claude questions. What if it could literally do the work for you? Computer use is like having a digital employee that controls your screen while you grab coffee. Here's what blew my mind. I told Claude to find 15 top restaurants in my city, create a spreadsheet with addresses, ratings, and hours, then save it to my desktop, and I walked away. When I came back, it had opened Chrome, researched everything, created the spreadsheet, and saved the file. I didn't touch anything. It's not just research, it can fill out forms, book travel, download files, navigate complex websites. Think about it. When AI can click buttons for you, you stop being the doer and become the director. That's not the future. That's happening right now. Number 2, deep research mode. Your personal analyst. This is where Claude transforms from a chatbot into a Wall Street analyst. Claude doesn't just give you quick answers, it goes deep. Searching the web, verifying sources, cross-referencing data, building real reports. I tested this. I said analyze the best cities for remote workers in 2026 based on cost of living, internet speed, and quality of life. What came back wasn't some generic response. It was a legitimate research report with data, sources, and rankings. The kind of report consulting firms charge $5,000 for. Most people don't even know Claude can search the web now, but it's like having a research team working for you 24/7. Number 3, projects, your AI with a permanent brain. This one changes everything. Projects let you upload documents, set custom instructions, and have Claude remember it all across every conversation. I have a project for my business with my brand voice, my target audience, examples of my best content. Every time I start a new chat, Claude already knows who I am. No more explaining yourself, no more re-uploading files, no more starting from scratch. It's like having an employee who's been with you for years and knows exactly how you operate. Number 4, the self-scoring technique. This hack is absolutely insane. Before Claude gives you an answer, you can make it create its own grading rubric, score its draft, and revise until it hits perfection. Copy this exact prompt. Before finalizing, privately create 5 to 7 criteria for an excellent answer. Draft your response. Score yourself against each criteria. Revise until every score is perfect. Only show me the final version. I use this for a business proposal. The difference was night and day. Instead of generic advice, I got a proposal so good, my client asked who wrote it. That's the power of making AI compete against itself. Number 5, extended thinking. Here's something that'll change everything. Claude can literally think harder if you know how to ask. Most people get surface level answers because they don't unlock Claude's deep reasoning mode. The fix: add think step by step or reason through this carefully to any complex prompt. It forces Claude to slow down, consider multiple angles, weigh trade-offs, and give you a much better answer. It's the difference between asking an intern for a quick opinion versus asking an expert to really think about it. Same AI, completely different quality. Number 6, memory. Claude that actually knows you. Here's where it gets scary good. Claude can remember your preferences, your projects, even your communication style across all conversations. But the real hack? Feeding it examples of your best work. I uploaded 10 of my best emails and told Claude to analyze my writing style. Now every email it writes sounds exactly like me. Same tone, same structure, same personality. The principle is simple. Don't start from scratch, start from excellence. Give it your best examples and it'll replicate that quality every time. Number 7, styles, your voice on demand. This one is pure gold. Claude can learn and save different writing styles. I have styles saved for YouTube scripts, professional emails, social media posts, formal business writing. Each one sounds completely different. When I select YouTube style, it writes short, punchy sentences, conversational, lots of energy. When I select business proposal, it's professional and structured. You can even create styles by uploading examples of writing you love. Now you can write like anyone, anytime. One click. Number 8, voice input. Full context in seconds. Typing long detailed prompts is for amateurs. Voice input lets you give Claude the full context, just like explaining to a colleague. You can ramble, add nuances, give background. All the stuff that makes responses actually useful. I'll spend 2 minutes explaining a complex situation via voice, giving context I'd never bother typing. The responses are 10 times better because Claude has the full picture. It's the difference between texting someone instructions versus having a real conversation. Number 9, image generation. Professional visuals instantly. This one is pure wizardry. Claude can now create images directly in the conversation. I said, create a thumbnail for a video about productivity hacks with bold text and a clean, modern look. 30 seconds later, professional thumbnail, ready to use, and you can iterate. Make the text bigger, try a different color scheme, add more contrast. It adjusts in real time. I've used this for thumbnails, social media graphics, presentation slides, even product mock-ups. Why pay a designer hundreds of dollars when you can generate unlimited options in minutes? Number 10, document analysis. Your personal lawyer and analyst. Upload 2 contracts and Claude becomes your legal advisor. It'll highlight every change, explain the implications, and tell you which version is better for you. I tested this with service agreements. Claude caught pricing changes, payment terms, and liability clauses I would have missed. Then it ranked which contract was better and explained why. Legal review that normally costs $500 an hour happening in 30 seconds. Same thing works for financial reports, research papers, competitor content. Claude reads faster than any human and catches things you'd miss. Number 11, artifacts. Interactive tools on demand. While everyone's getting text responses, Claude can build you working tools, calculators, trackers, interactive charts, mini applications. I said, build me a tool that shows how much I need to save each month to hit my retirement goal. 30 seconds later, working calculator with sliders and inputs. And you can iterate, make it prettier, add more features, change the calculations. It's like having a developer who works in real time. Number 12, privacy controls. Keep your data safe. Here's what most people don't know. AI companies can use your conversations to train their models. For sensitive business info, that's a problem. Go to settings. Turn off data training if you want. Your conversations stay private. For ultra-sensitive stuff, use temporary chat mode. It's like incognito mode for AI. You get Claude's full power without worrying about your data. Number 13, chat organization, your searchable knowledge base. Rename your chats with meaningful titles. Use the search function. Create projects for different areas of your work. Sounds basic, but it's the difference between finding that perfect prompt in 5 seconds versus scrolling through 100 random conversations. I organize by project type, content creation, business strategy, research, client work. 6 months from now, you'll thank yourself for staying organized. Everything you've ever done with Claude becomes searchable and reusable. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing humans, but humans using AI are replacing humans who don't. These aren't just features, they're competitive advantages. While your competition is still asking, write me an email, you're having Claude control your screen, generate professional research reports, and create content in seconds that used to take hours. The gap between AI amateurs and AI weapons is getting wider every single day. Which side do you want to be on? Now, here's the thing. Learning these tools is step one, but the real question is, what are you going to do with them? Because the people making real money right now aren't just using AI. They're using AI to build businesses, create products, generate income. That's exactly why I built Maker AI. It shows you what to build, validates if people actually want it, and gives you a complete plan to get customers. If you want to turn these AI skills into actual income, go to getmakerai.com. Link is in the description. And if this video opened your eyes to what's actually possible, drop a comment below and let me know which feature you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one.